This is the fuel filter on the Mazda 3BL. It is allocated on the right hand rear of the vehicle. You need to remove the right hand rear tire and remove this plastic trim underneath the vehicle. It is held by two 10mm bolts and one clip, and the trim itself has a clip that is attached to the body of the vehicle, and you just need to pull downwards the whole trim and it will be removed. In this case, this car has this clip in particular broken, so you are not going to see that in this video.
Yep, it's broken.
Once you remove the trim, you will have easy access to the fuel filter. It is held by a bracket, but first you need to remove the line connectors. These are quite difficult to remove, so I'm gonna try to explain how to do it. You just need to press the inside clip and then pull it outwards, then again press it, pull it inwards and press again harder and just pull it outwards. That's for both sides. Some people use special tools. I don't think it's needed. Now you need to remove the filter from the bracket, or there are some filters that come with the bracket, so it is easier. You as well need to remove the plastic clips. It is recommended to replace them, but if you don't find them, just remove it and put it again. I like to write down the mileage and the date of the replacement just for future reference. When installing the filter on in the bracket, just remember that the flow of the fuel goes from the front to the rear of the vehicle. Now when you are connecting the filter to the lines, you need to align the white clip with the holes of the black end of the line, and you need to hear an audible click so you are sure that it is well connected. Now is a good moment to clean up everything, because after this we are going to start the car and check for leakages. To start the car, just go ignition on and ignition off 3 times, so you build pressure in the system and then start the car. Once you are sure that there are no leakages and everything is installed properly, just take down this 10 millimeters bolt of the bracket and then put the plastic trim on the car again, and that's it. Job's done. Maximum 30 minutes. Easy peasy. See you next time.